Holiday stress got you tangled up like Christmas lights? In this video, we'll learn how to ho'oponopono your way through the holidays and into 2025. Your vibration is the most important thing. So when there's something chaotic and stressful going on during the holiday season, you get to remember that you are all the power, and that if you react and feel stressed and join other people in their stress, you are giving all your power away. Ho'oponopono is your way out of hell. And so ho'oponopono is about remembering that the all is mind, the universe is mental, that the world is a hologram, that there's no out there. The world is you pushed out, that the world is all about the mirror principle. It's just reflecting back to you what's inside of yourself. So if the holiday chaos gets to you, then things are just gonna spiral down, okay? And it's not really Christmassy and not very fun, right? So I'm here to remind you of who you really are and give you your lifeline, which is the Ho'oponopono practice, this ancient Hawaiian healing technique, so that you can skate through the holidays having a ball. All right, so first things first, the world is a hologram, there's no out there, right? Have you ever heard of the gateway tapes developed by Robert Monroe, the guy who developed Hemisync binaural beats? There's a website, hemisync.com, where they sell audio programs using Hemisync, including the gateway tapes, which was a program developed in the 80s. And this program helps you expand your consciousness, do astral travel. It's fascinating. And if you know this program, you know that the CIA had a report that was classified, and they declassified this report in 2003. It's a whole thing, right? So I was reading something on their website the other day, and I thought it was fascinating. So to begin this video, I'm just gonna read what I saw on their website. It's not very Christmassy, but it'll help you understand how you are all the power, okay? So it goes like this. For those who are unfamiliar, the CIA Gateway Report was originally developed as essentially a user manual by the US Army's intelligence unit. More specifically, they were interested in using Hemisync and a specific set of protocols, for example, the gateway process, the gateway tapes, to shift consciousness out of physical reality into any time or place for the purpose of gathering intelligence. Ooh. The report further posited that our universe doesn't actually exist, at least not in the way we typically perceive it. Instead, it could be better described as a construct or a hologram. The world is you pushed out, right? So things are not as they seem, but the illusion that is reality is tricking us into falling into so many traps, and the holiday season is, you know, a huge opportunity for those little things to come our way and like knock us down, right? But you're watching this video, so that's not gonna happen to you because ho'oponopono. So the world is you pushed out, okay? This is you, and these are the programs you carry in your subconscious mind. And these are like viruses we catch in the atmosphere, so to speak. And the things we hold in our minds are the things that are projected in our hologram, in our mind projection. So you have these dots here, you have these dots here. You have these ideas in your mind, you have those ideas materialized in your experience. And so if you're getting pissed and entangled in Christmas stress, then guess what? Things spiral down because you see more of that, because the world is a hologram, right? And so your biggest gift this holiday season is forgiveness. Forgiveness to other people and forgiveness to yourself, because things are not as they seem. And you are the light. You are literally love. You are pure consciousness. You're not the God, but you're a God, one with source energy. You are so powerful. And when we lose ourselves in the hologram, we lose all of our power, we're not having a ball, and then the holidays or your life becomes a little bit hellish, right? So ho'oponopono, your way out of hell. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, please forgive me, forgiveness. I'm sorry, I was unconscious of these programs in my subconscious mind that are affecting my video game, right? thank you, I love you, literally who you are, love. So when you're blessing everything and everyone with love and forgiveness and gratitude, you are literally going back home. And so this is your best gift for this holiday season, okay? Forgiveness for yourself, forgiveness for everyone else, because that's the way out of hell. So ho'oponopono your way through shopping lines. Imagine you're at the store and there's like a huge line and people are like not having a good time, right? So the collective energy right there is not very favorable, right? So it's very easy for us to slip back into illusion. So if you catch yourself in a situation like this, what do you get to do? I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You can do it silently and begin to send people love and send the atmosphere love, because you know what? The credit card machine might work faster. You might even be assisted earlier if you resort to this, because the world is a video game. And so you're literally helping yourself and your experience in your video game by keeping your cool and by being the lights that you are, right? Also, family drama. Imagine your uncle brings up politics. Ooh, right? What a tricky, triggering situation. What do? I'm sorry, please forgive me. Or maybe your aunt is criticizing your life choices. What do? Do you react, get pissed at her, or do you clean on it? I love you, Aunt Betty. Thank you. And you will see that your life is much, much easier. You can do it mentally and bless everyone and everything. And you will see that things change and don't spiral for you in your video game. Holiday traffic. Same thing. Do you feel stressed and begin losing your cool and forgetting that you're the light? Or do you resort here and maybe a miracle happens and you even get home faster? Okay? Because expect miracles. It's a hologram. It's not physical. So you are all the power. And when you resort to stuff like this, it's like you're getting the video game controller back. And so you're just skating through life, and it's a breeze. Ho'oponopono your way through the holiday season into 2025 and for the rest of your life, because this gets you to remember who you really are: light and love. And so remember who you are and have a ball this holiday season, because the darkness cannot stand before the light. And guess what? You're the light. If you're interested in knowing more about Ho'oponopono, I have a whole playlist just on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and link it here so you can go check it out right now. Happy holidays.